What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Antonnette if you are new here. In today's video, we're going to do a little glow up routine. I thought I would take you along with me to all my appointments, nails, hair. I have a keratin treatment appointment tomorrow. I dyed my hair last night. I did not get any footage of that. Just kidding. This is the hair dye that I used. It's called Gora. I'll leave a link down below. You can get it on Amazon, but I used a combination of things. This is the formula. You can screenshot it. I'll leave it down below as well. But I don't know if you guys can tell, it's a little bit darker now. I did kind of do just a touch up and it looks so much better and fresh. Today I'm gonna head out and get a haircut at a salon called No Name Salon. It is downtown LA. I'm super excited about it. Cross our fingers it ends up well. The salon had really good reviews online, so it should turn out good. I think it's called the butterfly haircut and it's just like layers. I could use like a professional cut. My ends are so dead and damaged, so that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna get my lashes done later this week, but a lot of beauty treatments are going to be happening in this vlog, so come along with me. Let's go to Zara. I'm gonna go shopping first, see if I can find something cute, and then we're gonna go get our hair done. I mentioned before I wanted to get a butterfly haircut. I just think they're so flattering. One thing I did not realize before getting this haircut, which I wanted to warn you guys about, as you can see, he's cutting like the front layers a bit shorter, obviously, so that they can get that layered look. Here's the thing though, the long layers of your hair are all going to be in the back, and then the front portions of your hair are kind of shorter in the front, so it makes your hair look like you have kind of a short haircut. So you should know that before you get this haircut, but it did turn out really pretty. He did such a good job. I'll leave his name and the salon down below if you guys want to go. He started out with cutting the hair. I went in for a dry haircut, which I don't usually do, but I might start making that how I do my hair because it was so nice just coming in and getting my haircut instead of sitting there for hours washing and blow drying my hair. Then he curled it with a 1.5-inch barrel, as you can see, and it just gave me these beautiful layers, and yeah, I loved how it turned out. Thank you so much. It's great.
And it feels good all the way down.
It feels so good.
All your ends have been. They all jumped off. They got all bent and shit.
Right.
They saw that.
They said, goodbye, girl.
Like the Titanic, and they went Antonnette.
Thank you so much. I'm loyal too, so I'll be back in do people still get haircuts every 6 weeks, or is that not a thing?
Typically, yeah, but I think you do like every 8.
I'll do 8, yeah.
I want some corrective time, so I want this side to grow up more.
Right.
So that we can correct and balance it all out.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Back from getting my haircut, that's what we went with, just some layering around the face. We definitely went shorter than I was before, but I was telling the guy who was cutting my hair, you know how hairstylists, they make you nervous, and I know you guys know what I mean. They kind of low-key judge you. They'll be like, who cut your hair last? They ask these questions that you're so embarrassed. Girl, just do the hair. I was telling the guy who was cutting my hair that I hadn't gone to see anyone in a while because I couldn't find anyone I like, and I was super intimidated. Just the task of trying to find someone to cut my hair that I like, it's just hard when you don't know who to go to, and so I've just been putting it off. We're gonna keep up on our haircuts. I'm gonna go every 6 weeks and just continue this healthy hair journey. But now that the dead weight is off, especially once I get the keratin treatment tomorrow, we're gonna be chef's kiss because I won't need to put any heat on my hair for at least 2 months. So that would be really good. So yeah, that's my hair for today. Tomorrow I'll take you along with me to get my keratin treatment. What kind of glow up routine would this be if I did not show you guys what I'm using on my skin lately? Here I'm just gonna go in and cleanse my skin really well with my favorite cleanser and moisturize with my favorite moisturizer by Miage. I have been getting such bad acne and acne scarring since I started working out, unfortunately. It's probably the only negative of working out for me is that I tend to break out, so I'm making sure I cleanse my skin really well. After I cleanse and moisturize, I'm going to go in with my favorite treatment at the moment by Dermatica. If you haven't heard of Dermatica, Dermatica. It is a monthly subscription of personalized formulas that are best known to solve anti-aging concerns, boost skin glow, reduce breakouts and acne, as well as hyperpigmentation, rosacea, and melasma. Basically, any skin concern you have, they can address it. They also offer free digital consultations available 24/7 with your monthly subscription straight to your door. As I mentioned, I've been struggling with acne and acne scarring, so this has been the perfect treatment for me. My treatment contains tretinoin as well as azelaic acid, which is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and unclogs pores, as well as reduces hyperpigmentation to even out the skin. And you guys know how much I love tretinoin. It's basically like a prescription grade retinol. These are my before and after results. The photo on the left, you can clearly see that I've got some redness, some acne scarring, and then on the right, you can see that my skin has cleared up so well. Very happy about that. If you guys want to get your own Dermatica prescription, definitely check out the link down below and use my code Antonnette for the first month free and 10% off your second month. It's usually $29.95, but with my code, you can try it for free. Huge thank you to Dermatica for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Morning guys, it's the next day. Just kidding. Actually had my camera on this really weird setting, so none of the audio recorded unfortunately, but I think I was just telling you guys about this super cute jumper or romper that I have on. Got it off Amazon. I will leave it linked down below. Here I'm showing you how suctiony it is. I'm obsessed with it. Basically just wanted to tell you guys good morning. I'm headed off to a Pilates class, and after Pilates we're going to go get my hair done finally. We're going to get a keratin treatment at L&R Salon, so come with me. I ended up stopping by Zara on the way home. Not Zara, I'm sorry. I ended up stopping by Victoria's Secret, and then I saw this cute little boutique. It's not a boutique, it's like an open loft space where they do a bunch of sample cells. There's Simon Miller, and I found these really cute pants. Like, this is the type of shopping I love. Like when you just pop in and you just get like one or two really cute things, but you end up loving the one or two things that you got instead of like a whole shopping haul and kind of being mediocre. I would rather spend a little bit more money on pieces that are a little bit nicer and that I will actually wear a few times. They fit so well, they look so good. I was thinking just pair like white little crop top with it, cute heels. They kind of have a little glitter reflecting bits on it. Okay, so I pulled up to L&R Salon. Love salons like this that specialize in keratin. Like, this is all they do. All of the people that work there, they know exactly what they're doing, and they just know more about keratin and how to do it. So I thought I would walk you guys through the process if you've never had one before. I always get so many questions on this. They wash the hair first, and they do a clarifying shampoo a couple times. Wash it to make sure it's clean. They put the keratin in. Here is a before picture, as you can see, really frizzy. They just put the keratin in, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then they blow dry. As you can see here, he's just going through blow drying the hair. I loved this salon because they had an excellent filtration system. As you can see, there was wind blowing in my face because they have a huge vent, basically a fan that blows into your face, and then they have like a vacuum fan above you, so the wind blows out and up instead of all those chemicals lingering in the air. After he blow dries the hair with the keratin in it, then he flat irons it like really small pieces, and then you don't wash your hair for about 24 hours after that, and that is the keratin treatment. This is the before and after. I know, shocking. This is the after. Smooth hair. As you can see, there's some gaps in my hair from damage, so we're gonna be working on that. But yeah, I got home, and then the next day my camera was still on that weird setting and I forgot to change it, so I'm basically just telling you guys today I'm getting my nails done. I'm going to Polished downtown LA. Went and got my nails done today. I've been doing this like super simple nude color and I love it. It's just like a super natural color. It looks good on camera. It looks professional. This is dip and on my natural nails, and I love it because it keeps your natural nails so strong. Such a huge fan of the dip powder. This is one coat of Put It In Neutral and 2 coats of Bubble Bath, and it just makes the perfect kind of nudie pink. Then I also got pink on my toes, which I'm not showing you guys, but I got a pedicure too, and we went with like a hot pink, kind of the color of these shorts actually. So yeah, those were my nails today. Last but not least, I went and got my lashes done. Also here downtown LA. It's just a girl I go to in her building. This is what they look like. I'll leave her at down below for Instagram. Back at home, I stopped at Juice Crafters after getting my lashes done, and I went and got a coconut bowl. Oh my god, it is so good. This is the first time I've had this. I usually go to Juice Crafters and I get an acai bowl. But they have this like limited edition summer coconut bowl, and I love frozen coconut popsicles, anything like that. I love a pina colada. If you like pina coladas, it's basically what this tastes like, without the alcohol, of course. It is so good and refreshing and delicious. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I am gonna be addicted to these. I wish I never tried it, but I'm glad I did. I'm not supposed to be eating this kind of food though, but it's fine. For today, it's a little cheat meal. It's a little pamper week. You know what I mean? I did get my lashes done. You don't really get the full effect until I put some makeup on, but the main reason I got my lashes done was because I want to be like no makeup in the gym, and lashes just give your eyes that bit of pop and just make you look really pretty, and you don't need any makeup. I don't have any makeup on right now. This is just how I want to be at the gym, with like lashes and lip gloss. I feel like putting makeup on is making me break out way too much, and it's just not good for my skin, so I just want to be like makeup free for a couple weeks. Same kind of deal with my hair. I want to be heatless, so I do more treatment. And like even my nails, I guess I do dip powder on my nails so that I don't have to worry about them for like a solid 3 weeks. You know what I mean? I just like to be as low maintenance as possible while feeling pretty. So that's what my little glow up routine is all about. Later that day, I went and worked out, and I had to show you guys the keratin treatment results like after a workout, since I know you guys love asking questions about this. Look at my hair. It had no frizz. I just combed it out with a pick at the end of my workout, which is crazy because usually my hair is so frizzy. So I had to show you guys how my hair turned out after like a sweaty day. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. You saw all my appointments. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. I haven't filmed a good weekly vlog in so long, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. I wanted you to see how everything came together, how the lashes are looking. I did end up going for like a more natural lash look, and we went from like small to larger on the outer corner just to give that winged effect. What else did I do? Hair is looking good. I haven't washed it in like 4 days. These are the pros of the keratin treatment. I worked out. I curled it this morning like super fast, maybe 10-minute curls. I worked out yesterday. I did Pilates, which is super sweaty, and I didn't even like have to come home and do anything with my hair. I just brushed it. It was like perfectly straight, and there was no frizz to worry about, and it just makes my life so much easier, and it makes it so I don't have to put as much heat on my hair, and I don't have to wash it as much, and I don't have to style it as much. So my life is just a lot easier. So I will leave all the links to all the places I went and everything I used in the video, so definitely go and check it out if you guys are interested, and I will talk to you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.